the inclined plane making an angle alpha is equal to 15 degree with the horizontal. Let us say this is the body, and finally after moving up, launched up, this will reach to this position. And let us consider t is the time of ascent. T is the time required by this body to reach to this position. Okay. So in this case, if you draw the free body diagram, then this is the direction of g. This is mg sin alpha, as this is g cos alpha, then the reaction will be how much? mg cos alpha. Let m be the mass of this body. Okay. As this body is moving in this direction, frictional force must be in this direction. Let the coefficient of friction is k. Okay. So the frictional force is how much? K into r. That means k mg cos alpha. Okay. Next we have to apply the kinematic equation for this inclined plane. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V is 0. 0 is equal to u square, this is 0, minus 2 into how much? G sin alpha plus kg cos alpha into s. Why I am writing this a in minus of this? Because the motion is in this direction and these two forces are retardation force. F is equal to ma we know. So here the acceleration in this direction is how much? G sin alpha plus kg cos alpha, which is opposite, because the motion is in this direction. That's why I am writing here minus of this much. So from this s value will be how much? U square divided by 2 into g sin alpha plus kg cos alpha. We also know that v is equal to u plus at. So u is how much? V is equal to u plus at. V is 0. So u take to this side, minus u is equal to minus into g sin alpha plus kg cos alpha into t. Minus minus cancel out. U value is this much. Put this u value in this equation. If I put this value in this equation, then what I get the value of s? Half into g sin alpha plus kg cos alpha t square. Okay. Now let us take the second case, where the body comes back to this position. Let us take t dash is the time of descent. T dash is the time taken by this body to come back to again this position. In the question it is given that time of ascent of the body is eta is equal to 2 times less than the time of descent. That means t divided by t dash is equal to how much? 1 divided by eta. So this will be how much? 1 divided by 2. Okay. So if we apply the same condition, that is if we apply the same case, then you can see that if we draw the free body diagram of this body, this is g, in this direction mg sin alpha. As this body is moving in this direction, frictional force must be opposite to this. So frictional force will be in this direction, and how much is it? K into mg cos alpha. Okay, because this is g cos alpha and this is the reaction is how much? Mg cos alpha. So frictional force is k into r. Okay. So in this case, acceleration is how much? G sin alpha minus kg cos alpha, because the body is moving in this direction, and in this direction the force due to gravity is mg sin alpha. F is equal to ma. So acceleration is how much? G sin alpha minus kg cos alpha. Okay. So if you put this same equation, then you can finally got this. S is equal to how much? Half into g sin alpha minus kg cos alpha into t square. If you do the same procedure, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as and v is equal to u plus at for this case, then you can get s is equal to this much. Okay. So here s and here s are same we know, because this body is launched up to this position, again this body comes back to this position. So we have take this value is s. Similarly, we have take this value as s. Okay. So s is equal to this much. So this value and this value are same. That means I can write half into g sin alpha minus kg cos alpha into t dash square. Sorry, this is t dash. that is the time of descent. Okay, is equal to half into g sin alpha plus kg cos alpha into t square. Half cancel out. T square divided by TD square is equal to how much? G sin alpha minus kg cos alpha divided by g sin alpha plus kg cos alpha. Okay, so t divided by TDS is equal to 1 by 2. Square of this means 1 by 4. Okay, is equal to this much, g sin alpha minus kg cos alpha divided by this value. Cross multiply this, g sin alpha plus kg cos alpha is equal to 4g sin alpha minus 4 kg cos alpha. Okay, so this will be how much? 3g sin alpha plus is equal to, this will be 5 kg cos alpha. So g cancel out, tan alpha, this is 3 by 5 tan alpha is equal to k. Okay, g cancel out, cos alpha take to this side, so this will be tan alpha, 5 take to this side, so this will be 3 by 5 tan alpha is equal to k. Put the value of alpha 15 degree, 3 by 5 into tan 15 degree. So calculate this, the k value will be around 0.16. Okay.